magical, legal garden, Gutra. Hello, and welcome to my show. I'm so glad you could be here for my show. I'm glad you could see me. I'm glad I can see you. I know I can't really see you, but I can kind of see you. Now, over here on our show, oh look, and I found this today. I found this at the store today. I went shopping today, and I found this, and isn't it just lovely? It's like a little hat. It's a little hat I can put on. Makes me feel like a flower girl. I mean, it's like I've been knighted. I love it. Okay, now, go over here, and I'm going to show you about my gardening. My gardening here on gardening today. Now, what we're trying to do today, on gardening today, is we're trying to get our buds blooming. Okay? Now, when you get your buds blooming well, you have to try really hard to get buds. You have to try really hard. Now, I want you to grow. I want you to grow. Grow for mommy. Grow for mommy. Grow for mommy. Grow. You know, but you know they won't grow. They won't grow unless you give them water. So let's grow like that. Oh, this hair, it's in my face and it's so itchy and stuff like that. Oh, you know how it is.
Yeah, it's a cultural thing.
Yeah. So what you do is you get this special mixture here. It's water with a twist, and you put it and you just put it all over your buds. You get your buds blooming. Your buds and they blow. And they blow and they grow. And they grow. And they grow. And they grow into something much more spectacular than you and I ever dreamed. Yes, they blow and they grow and they grow and they blow. And you blow on them. Grow. 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 I have to pet you. I have to pet you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Like the little children that I'll never be able to have. Now, there you go. Yes. Oh, look. I think
you could have children.
What?
You could have children, yes?
Oh, I don't know if I'll ever be able to have children. Now.
To the doctor, they say.
No, Gustav, don't tease me. Don't tease me. I'm not out of the space though yet. So, what you do is you have to wait. They're not going to grow overnight. They're not going to grow overnight, and you have to be ready for that. You really do. Now, what you got to do is you got to set them over here. But always talk to them and pet them and caress them and love them and take them to bed with you and all kinds of things like that. That may be a bit too far. I may be getting silly. Oh, oh boy. So, where we are now, as it stands, is we're going to have them grow into something very beautiful. Now, while you're waiting, though, you might do a little dance. You might do a little dance. So, Gustav, give me something with a beat. Something I can break down to, like the kids say. Okay? I love that. And now let's go back and let's look at the flowers. They should be blooming by now, surely.
Good work.
No, Gustav, calm down.
No, there's no flowers.
No, there's no flowers. They're not blooming yet. They're not blooming.
But you're the flowers over there.
They're supposed to be blooming, but they're not.
I want the bloom.
I know. Look.
I just want to the flowers.
Can you give me a couple minutes here? I'm very frustrated here. I'm very frustrated. Just because so bad. I can't.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Well, friends, I'm sorry you had to do that. I had a fit, and I know. But it all comes with gardening. You know, gardening is a journey. It's a strange and wonderful journey, and I think we all love it, as I do. And I think we all have a passion. We all have a passion. We do. I have a passion. You have a passion. That man across the street has a passion. We all have a passion. And it's time for us to know our passion.
I know.
Yeah, I bet you do. Stop keeping me. So I'm going to leave now. And thank you for joining me on gardening today. And keep those buttons with me.